At Volvo, every certified pre-owned vehicle passes a rigorous certification process. Each area of your Volvo will be brought up to our exacting specifications. Included with each Volvo Certified Pre-Owned vehicle is a complimentary CARFAX history report and Volvo's On Call roadside assistance protection plan.
Feel confident in this CARFAX verified one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Find this complimentary CARFAX Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.